Ladies and gentlemen, our conference is about to begin. Have a nice seat and please kindly turn off your microphone during the presentation. I'm Nura Fauzia, one of accounting lecturer at Nahdlatul Ulama Indonesia University. I will be the moderator of today's conference. It will be an honor to be in this great agenda, meeting remarkable speakers, meeting a lot of wonderful people here, and welcome you all to this international conference on accounting, law, and sociology with the topic of financial crime in digital era. Before starting our conference, let me quickly go over today's agenda. We'll begin with a brief introduction of our speakers, followed by their presentation. It's about 50 minutes for each. And then we'll continue to the floor of questions and discussions, or Q&A section, so we can educate others after we educate ourselves and improve our knowledge from social media and many more sources. And let's move to the second speaker. We see from the screen a great smile. He is a credible legal professional with experience in formulating and presenting compelling cases in court, with 15 years of working experience as a government legal officer with a mixture of experience in legal and justicial service. Without further ado, I'll hand it over to Mrs. Nur Asikin Muhtar for the presentation.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. All right.
The screen is yours. We talk about financial crime in legal or law perspective. Thank you so much, Mrs. Nur Asikin Muhtar, for your rich presentation. Let's give a big applause to Mohammed.
I'm here with you.
Yes, he is a researcher at the Institute of Security and Global Affairs, Leiden University in Hague, Netherlands. He is a research fellow at the Center of African Diaspora Policy Center in Hague and the Institute of African and Diaspora Studies. And he has so many noticeable experience too. So now please welcome Mr. Mohammed to start the presentation.
Thank you very much, Nurul Fauzia, right?
Yes, right.
Thank you and the other organizers and for organizing this beautiful conference.
We all know that everything, not only digital platform, has plus and minus sides, so it depends how we use it and how to define it well. So this is the last part of our session. For the speakers, Mrs. Azwin, Mrs. Noor, Mr. Muhammad, thanks a million for great presentations. It's such an honor to me and our participant here to have you guys here sharing knowledge with us, and it means a lot to us. And for all participants, I really appreciate the participation and engagement in today's conference. Thank you very much. I would also like to thank the organizer and the sponsor of this conference for making this event possible, and we look forward to see you guys in the next event. Thank you very much and have a great day.